Don't stress. If today is wrong, tomorrow will be right. And if today is right, something might go wrong according to you tomorrow. According to Allah, it did not go wrong. It was His plan for you and for me. Nothing happens on earth except by the will of Allah. He knows about it. He lets it be. It is Allah. He is in control. But it's all part of a test for all of us. Life is short. One day is good, one day is bad. One day is for you, one day is against you. My brothers, my sisters, believe in Allah. If you have a relation with Allah, the good day is Alhamdulillah. The bad day is also Alhamdulillah. There are 5 prayers a day. On a good day, it is 5. On a bad day, it is still 5. Subhanallah. In fact, when something bad happens, we get closer to Allah. If you are true believers, lay your trust in Allah. Allah will look after me. Allah will take care of me. Allah will provide for me.